We've heard of AI coins doing really well in 2025, but there are actually projects working in the background that are working on AI blockchains. So these are blockchains powered by AI using proof of intelligence, which we'll talk about in a minute. And today we're going to be talking about a project called Lightchain because these guys are really changing the game and they've raised over $15 million in their pre-sale so far. And they are their own blockchain with their current testnet active for you to test. So none of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's jump in to the world of Lightchain. So this is Lightchain, and as you can see, they are a protocol bridging AI with blockchain. This is something that's fantastic, and it will be something that I think has a lot of potential for the future of blockchain and crypto technology. Here you can see they're using the proof of intelligence model here, which is a revolutionary consensus mechanism designed to reward nodes for performing valuable AI computations, such as model training, inference, and optimization tasks. So unlike traditional methods such as proof of work or proof of stake, these guys are actually incentivizing meaningful things such as training AI and actually benefiting AI as a whole and neural networks as a whole. So this is actually going to be something that has a lot of value in the future and already has a lot of value, but bringing that into blockchain and actually using that as value in a blockchain, I think does have a lot of potential. I do think this will be a big market share thing in the future of blockchain technology. They're also doing artificial intelligence virtual machine, or AIVM for short. Now, this stands at the heart of Lightchain AI, designed as a groundbreaking computational layer to execute AI-specific tasks seamlessly on the blockchain. So in short, what that means is you're going to be using AI to do your blockchain tasks more efficiently, right? So normally you're going to have mechanisms and automations in place that just run, but with AI, you can actually have that adapt and do it better over time, depending on what new technology and new infrastructure is added. And having Lightchain here is going to allow for that infrastructure to develop, and they actually have a testnet up right now. If you want to use the testnet, let's just talk about how to do that. So you're going to go to Lightforset.ai. Very easy. You're going to whack your wallet address in here. You're going to confirm that you're human with a little test here. And then once you pass that small AI test, you're basically going to click this button and it's going to send 2 LCAI tokens to your wallet. Now, this is obviously testnet tokens, so it doesn't have any value. And then you can go over to testnet.lightscan.app and actually go over here and test this blockchain and see it working incredibly well. The way you're going to do this, guys, is actually adding this blockchain to your wallet, which is very simple to do. All you got to do is press this button here that says Add Lightchain AI Testnet, and then it will add automatically to your MetaMask. From that point, you can connect your wallet, you can send some test transactions, or even deploy smart contracts on this testnet. So in terms of a developer option, this is a massive benefit because you basically are getting in on the ground floor of a project that is infrastructure based around AI. And if you are a user, getting to know all these blockchains, particularly if you're investing in it, could be something that benefits you over the long run. So good stuff here. Very simple and easy to use this thing. The UI is incredibly intuitive. Now let's talk about the pre-sale. So the pre-sale right now has got a lot of traction. They have raised $15.8 million so far, which is a massive amount, guys. And we can see here that one LCAI is currently 0.006 cents, and that price will increase to 0.007 cents in the next price hike. So if you want to get involved with this before it does hit 30, 60, 100 million here, it's better to get involved now because this could be one of the big future blockchains that do rival the Sols, do rival the Ethereums, because it is based around AI, which is an emerging technology that will absolutely dominate every industry in the future. So I think these guys are definitely on the right track. And the people that have put in 15 million here definitely agree with me. So let's talk about how to buy this if you do want to get in on the ground floor of a new crypto technology here. So we can see here that you can actually buy super easily, guys. Obviously, just connect your wallet and then, yes, select Ethereum or USDT. And then from that point, type in how much you want to buy, like you can see here. And from that point, you're going to see how much that's worth in dollars on the bottom, and you're going to see how much LCAI you're going to get for that amount. After that, all you got to do is press buy, confirm the transaction, and you are good to go. Now, on their tokenomics here, guys, you can see they do have staking and rewards here at 28.5%. So 40% for the pre-sale, 28% for staking and rewards. Once you've got these pre-sale tokens, guys, I would highly advise you stake them, because with this thing and the longevity behind the utility of this chain, I do think that this thing has a lot of potential to thrive. So getting as much of those tokens from staking as rewards as possible is going to be super important here. One thing as well, in terms of decentralization, distribution, having nearly 70% here of your supply just out there for a fully distributed token is something that's massive. I do think it's going to benefit them. We do have 5% for the team here, which is very low when you do think about it. Then we have 6.5% for the treasury and reserve, 5% for marketing and KOLs, and 15% for liquidity and exchange listings. So liquidity and exchange listings will just basically mean that the price is going to be stable and able to absorb any market dumps or pumps, so it's not too volatile and it gradually raises organically over time. In terms of PR and what these guys are doing to get out there, you can see all of these massive influencers right here actually promoting this project and doing videos on them, just like we are here. And there is a reason for that. The reason for that is because we do think this project is going to absolutely blast off, and I'm sure all of these guys do agree with me. So in terms of this project and the future, you can see here they do have a lot of stuff planned, but the fact that they've already got a test net up and running is a massive win and a huge criteria tick box from me. In terms of what these guys are actually going to be doing here with this is you've got the poll consensus here, which is proof of intelligence. We've got the POI consensus here, which is proof of intelligence. We talked about that earlier. Basically, using AI, training AI, and using that data to essentially have a value for this blockchain or this token. And we can also see artificial intelligence, virtual machine. We also talked about this. Basically, AI-driven computation for smarter decentralized applications. So we're talking about efficiency there, and AI is definitely something that improves efficiency. Transparent AI framework, so redefining trust with an open, auditable, and accountable AI system for intelligent operations. Governance integration, so they are going to be using not necessarily a DAO here, but if you are part of this ecosystem, you will have a say or a vote in what happens in the future of it. And we also have a meme coin launchpad that they are going to be bringing out as well. So meme coins powered by AI, you can just imagine the market share that these guys are going to be getting. And we do have decentralized governance as well here, so everyone can really decide where the project goes. So that is Lightchain protocol, bridging AI with community, decentralization, and blockchain as well. We can see here that we do have $15 million raised, and this will absolutely fly off the shelf here, guys. So definitely get involved. If you want to get involved, do not wait on this one, because I do think this should be on your radar. They're doing a lot right. Their presentation is very authentic and corporate, which is what you want from something like this. Think about the Sui blockchain or even Bitcoin or Ethereum. These things are presented incredibly well, incredibly professionally. So I will say these guys are definitely on the right track there. They already have a working product that's in a test net, okay? And they are also giving you testnet tokens to go and try that and prove that this thing is working. It's a real product. It's something that a lot of people will be building on with the help of AI. So that's it for this video. Definitely check out Lightchain in the description. Besides that, I will see you in the next one. Drop a like on it, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon. Cheers.